Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins, Chrysler, Jeep, and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2017 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. That's right, EcoDiesel. White in color, gray cloth interior. As you can see, it's got a big screen 8.4. It's got bucket seats in the front, seating for 5. It's got a power sliding rear window. This is a one-owner car. It has a clean Carfax. It will be a certified vehicle. As you can see, it's also got 20-inch wheels and tires. It's got 4-wheel disc anti-lock, 4x4. Also has a spray and bed liner. This also has front and rear sensors. So if you're coming up on an object, it's going to beep at you. This truck only has 117 miles on it. That's right, folks. 117 miles. It has a power driver's seat, also has power lumbar, Bluetooth for your cell phone. Call me, Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins.